You've been studying tantric spirituality now for nearly a decade, Lisa. I was wondering if you could share the changes and benefits that you've experienced as you've grown and developed in your journey.
The changes in my life have been remarkable. The teachings and the knowledge that I have gained through my teacher Somananda have impacted every aspect of my life. I have developed a much deeper understanding of myself as a person, and I mean it in a very, very practical way, not just a cliche kind of, yeah, I've gotten to know myself and that's it. It has been a very profound experience of understanding what's my purpose in my life. And to me, my spiritual growth has become a paramount topic or a paramount goal in my life. I am feeling very, very blessed to have found the tantric path of using energy, of not needing to be on an ascetic path. I feel that Tantra connects with me very much, with all of its different aspects. What is amazing about Tantra for me is that you can make any element of your daily life into a spiritual activity, into a spiritual act, provided that you change and use something in your mind as you are doing it. So you can be a businessman and running around doing a lot of things, but in the background mentally doing spiritual practice even as you are conducting a business meeting, for example. So this is just one example, but what attracted me to Tantra in the very beginning were, of course, the sexual teachings. I didn't know much about spirituality at the time when I met Somananda and became his student. But very quickly, already in the first course that I had with him, I realized the immense spiritual dimension also behind the sexual teachings of Tantra. And right there and then I was convinced that I really want to know more, I want to go into this more. I come from a very practical background, my mentality is very practical, I want to understand things in a logical way and kind of a down-to-earth type of a person. And what was really amazing for me to see that the way Soma was passing on the knowledge from his lineage, that it is really step by step in a structured way, that you do not find yourself confused or not understanding what is and what should be the next step and what I should be doing in order to progress. It is clear what one should be doing. The only question then is if the person has enough motivation and time and perseverance to do it. So in a more practical way, having started with tantric spirituality, so other than just it's changing the purpose of my life, or maybe I should rephrase it, it gave a purpose to my life, because previously I didn't really have one. I was leading an average, usual life. I was working in an international, worldwide big corporation in sales. I was just flowing through life as anybody would, meeting my friends and socializing occasionally, having my holidays and trips and here and there, and kind of having a smooth sailing. But then when spirituality came into my life, I understood that it is filling a certain void that was there. Even me not being aware of the void at the time, I have to say. So it wasn't for me that I was looking, and then finally I found it. I was not looking, not consciously, but it came anyway. And once I was put into contact with tantric teachings, then I understood, wow, this is way more important than anything I've been doing so far. So these teachings, firstly, have completely transformed my understanding of who a woman should be, what makes a spiritual woman, what makes a spiritual man, how to build a harmonious relationship, a spiritual relationship. Tantra has completely transformed my sexuality and my sexual life. There is no going back to how things were before, no way. I am doing a regular practice of yoga, of meditation. I'm progressing in my own studies with my teacher. And it simply is a kind of a total makeover of my life in a very, very amazing and rewarding and beautiful direction.
You mentioned that before you discovered tantric spirituality, that you weren't even looking for spirituality or having an understanding of the concept of your soul self. Perhaps you could enlighten us a little bit more what that means for somebody who was completely disconnected from that to now it being a primary journey in your life.
Well, this question is touching upon something very personal to me. And it's even a little bit challenging to answer that, but I will try. Through my practice, I have had very beautiful and profound glimpses into the inner workings of my soul, you can say. And these experiences are something that you will never forget. Those moments are very, very precious, where you feel that you are bigger than just being a human being, where the connection to the divine, if you call it, or however you want to call it, that this is actually very real, and that this is the purpose of life, to reach that place of real inner harmony and bliss beyond words.